Ladies and gentlemen, it is here. That is Nick. I am John. We've been teasing you for days upon days, maybe even close to a week at this point, about something really big that we are about to announce. We've been working behind the scenes on something. No, your computer screen hasn't been broken the last few days. We have a big announcement ahead. Nick, how are you? What's good?
I am so excited. I am pumped. I have been working tirelessly. John has been working tirelessly for the last, I don't know, it's been a while. We've been putting something together. No, the Matrix did not take over your computer screen or our Instagram accounts. We were not hacked. It was purposeful. It was branding, marketing, all of that fun stuff. But we are announcing a big thing right now, today. And I made a little promo video. So I think, John, we should just show that and then we can talk about it. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's go. Check this out.
Blnk established. Welcome, Rick.
That is right. We just announced it is for the world Calibrate Workshop, an online workshop for wedding filmmakers. Head over to calibrateworkshop.com to grab your spot right now. John, I am so excited about this. Tell me your thoughts right now.
So the last year and a half has been kind of insane-o. We were in quarantine. We've been shut down. Some of us are back open, but we haven't had the ability to calibrate, reconnect with people. And we wanted to fix that. We wanted to change that. We wanted people to be able to connect with each other, to learn from the best in the industry. And Nick, if you didn't know, we have a killer lineup, and this is how it's going to work. August 4th and 5th, 2 days online. Every hour, starting in the morning, every hour and a half, a new speaker will talk. You'll have access to it for 24 hours after the talk has happened. So if you're in a different time zone, we've removed all excuses. This is a super affordable event. It has some of the best in the industry. Nick, who all, I know that we tease them, but who all are you excited to hear from on this list?
I mean, there are so many great people on here. I am really excited to hear from our friends McLean and Aaron of Hello Tomorrow. They're such fun people and they're doing some amazing killer work up in Canada. Ryan Koral, man, that dude, he is so smart with his business and he's going to talk more probably about corporate kind of stuff and, getting into that area. But I could just listen to that guy talk for hours and hours. I'm really excited about all of them. But those are two that I'm like, man, I can't wait to hear what they have to say. What about you?
Well, you earned brownie points with them for sure. Just so you guys know, I mean, it's the film poets. It's Jay and Mack. It's Eric Floberg and In Revery, Blnk Films, KEJ, Nick said him, Hello Tomorrow, David with Forestry Films, our good friend Films by Stanton, who is just killing it. Ryan with Tell Studios, Films by Madeleine. She's been on our podcast. She's doing some incredible, incredible things. Sam Jacobson, who's been on our podcast twice, is coming with brand new content about your copy for your website and how to make more money per wedding. Taylor Petrinovich, who's been on the podcast, Level Up Your Wedding Business podcast. She's killing it. And I'm really excited about this. Blake, the editor, making his educational debut. He is our editor. He's been our good friend for years, one of our best good buddies, and he is a brilliant mind when it comes to making more, to diversifying your income, all kinds of things. And Nick, we have a VIP option where you can upgrade and get access to the entire lineup for 7 days, and you get access to a bonus branding Q&A with Lindsay and Rev Films. They're going to be there, and it includes a posing guide. There's a lot of good stuff over at calibrateworkshop.com. The event is in a little less than 3 weeks from now, so go grab your tickets. We have a special going on for the first weekend. So for the first week. So check it out. Nick's got his hands up. Go for it, Nick.
I do have my hands up. So tickets, for the 24-hour access are $249, which we think is a great price for this event. But we are doing an early bird special. So if you go to calibrateworkshop.com, you click the little button to sign up and you type in the promo code EARLYBIRD. Type in the promo code EARLYBIRD, you will get $50 off of your ticket. So whether that's the basic one or the VIP, you will get $50 off of that ticket at calibrateworkshop.com. John, I am so excited about this.
With that discount, $199, there's literally no excuse. You can watch from the comfort of your home. There's no travel fees. There's nothing getting in your way of taking some time, putting your phone on Do Not Disturb, and calibrating. That's what we want to do with this workshop. We're so excited about it. We're going to be sending some info. We're going to be posting in our group. Get ready for it. Calibrate Workshop 2021 is here.
Right. And again, that is calibrateworkshop.com. If you would like to sign up, use promo code EARLYBIRD for this first week. To get $50 off of your ticket. Guys, we are so excited. If you have any questions, reach out to us here in our Facebook group, on YouTube, on Instagram, wherever we are, and we will happily answer the questions that you have about Calibrate. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this. John, anything else you want to add before we hop off?
Get your tickets right now. Get them right now before it's too late, before the early bird special is over.
Right. Tickets in a week from now will go up to those original prices of $250 starting price. So make sure you get that this week with that early bird promo code to get them $50 off. CalibrateWorkshop.com.